They were all broken and falling and
Okay.
yeah.
I
But
remember that bridge part. Yeah.
yeah, that came off too. But it was hard to eat. I am thrilled that I can eat food now.
Okay.
And I can smile and I have teeth.
So, Saji, was there a lot of pain or was
None at all.
no pain?
None at all.
None at all. Okay.
No, I'm glad today that you put my teeth back in because I'm ready to eat.
Okay. Okay.
And I can smile and that's an ugly look when you don't have no teeth. Yeah, you look older than what you are. Yeah, usually I close my mouth and just have a smile, but I was able to smile with my grin, and I can show you pictures. I have teeth.
How was the experience with the team?
They're wonderful. Wonderful.
Jackie,
I can
Elizabeth.
call and answer all my questions, tell me what to do, or I could come earlier and get it taken care of. And yeah, everybody's nice. I told you have an A1 staff.
Thank you.
Because you helped me finance it too. That was the most, nobody ever assisted me to
finance the
because
procedure.
I would have had teeth maybe years ago.
Yeah.
But no, you have A1 teeth.